Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to derive the momentum equation in cylindrical coordinates. The Cartesian coordinate non-conservative form is already derived in earlier video, so you can go through it, and in this video we are going to focus on momentum equation in cylindrical coordinates. So in general there are two ways to derive this particular equation. The first one using the operator definitions available in vector or tensor calculus. So we can use directly these in cylindrical coordinate system. So we can directly use those definitions, or which are for vector or tensors. Then second approach can be using the rigorous differential fluid element consideration in cylindrical coordinate system and then deriving all these equations. So we are going to use the generalized form. So in general, form of conservation equation, which is concised form, so we can write rho dv dt. So this is material derivative is equals to pressure gradient term plus del bar dot viscous terms, shear stress terms, and plus body forces. So the left side, as we know, that it consists of two parts, and that is what is the definition of derivative, total derivative or material derivative, which we have. So we can write in form as dv bar dt, which is local derivative, plus v bar dot del bar operating on velocity vector, so is equals to same part, which is pressure component, pressure gradient, and then shearing stresses terms along with normal stresses terms, so plus rho, and that is body force. So let us call that as equation 2. And this first component is, as I have said, local derivative. Second component is convective derivative, so which will drive all the scales into the flow. So the left hand side of this equation 2, based on, we are going to modify or model as method of operators. So we are going to use the definitions of del operators, vector, tensor operators in cylindrical coordinate system. So in general cylindrical coordinates, we are going to use our r, theta, and z. So we already have introduced this definition of velocity. V bar is equals to vr er, v theta e theta, and plus vz along ez component. So let us call this as equation 3, where these e theta, er, e theta, and ez are unit vectors along r, theta, and z directions respectively. So let us introduce now the operators which are operating on these unit vectors, so their rates. So first is with respect to time. All these unit vectors with respect to time, their differentials are set to 0. So these will be proved in another separate video. So along r direction, again we have all these definitions. Their rate of change along r direction is again 0. And for theta direction, so partial er over partial theta is going to be e theta because of the cylindrical terms. So the components resolved along respective directions. So similarly, e theta over theta is negative er, and ez over d theta is 0. So similarly, we have along z direction, all the unit vectors differentiated along z directions are always 0. So these are additional definitions which we are going to use in our derivation. So now let us try to find out all the terms. So to find local derivative term first, on the left hand side in equation 2, So differentiate equation 3, which is velocity components with respect to time. So we get local derivative. So along partial over partial t of v bar is equals to d dt of vr er plus v theta e theta and vz ez. So now this differential can be obtained by based on chain rule of differentiation and a product rule. So the first term gives this component, second term theta along e theta direction and dvz along ez. So remember, these differentials are vectorial differentials, so they are along each respective direction. So these are basically the local components. Since d dt of all the components er is e theta and ez are 0, so that's why there are no second terms into this. For convective derivative term, we are going to use v bar dot del bar operating on v bar. So we are going to use the definition of del bar along vector calculus from vector calculus. So this is a velocity component first, dot producted with the del operator definition, er partial over partial r, e theta over r partial over partial theta, and ez times partial over partial z operating on again velocity component in this case. So vr er plus v theta e theta and vz ez. So this part is a definition of del bar, so we need to remember this, and this now the first two terms will be on RHS will be acting as an operator. Okay, so now let us differentiate. So VR dr, so this will be ER dot ER, and similarly E theta dot E theta will be 1. So similarly EZ dot EZ will be equals to unit quantity. So that's why this first term in the bracket is operator, second term is as it is as velocity terms. Okay, so is equals to VR. So let us use the product rule of differentiation. So first term is differential of VR. Now VR into differential of ER, which is a unit vector along R direction. So that completes our first differentiation. Similarly, we are going to directly move with theta differential. So V theta over R partial over partial theta V theta into keeping E theta constant plus now V theta over R multiplied by V theta, and now differentiate E theta along theta direction. So that is by product rule of differentiation. So we covered second term. So now third term, similarly Vz over Ez and keeping Ez constant. So similarly differentiate now Ez. Okay, so now that completes our first definition of respective differentials. Now let us do the cross differentials, which are VR ddr operating on V theta. So V theta taking constant and differentiate with respect to E theta. So similarly now differentiate V theta and keep E theta constant. So similarly VR ddr operating on Vz, keeping Ez constant, and then differentiate Ez component with respect to R direction. So then the last term, the second term, which is V theta, now operating on other two components which are remained. So V theta over R, so this is differentiating E theta and VR into ER. Okay, so similarly along Z direction. Okay, so now last component, which is Vz into partial over partial Z operating on VR multiplied by Ez plus and the last component, which is partial over partial E theta is along Z. So let it be equation number Okay, so these two terms we have used, or rather all the three equations we need to use. So this term will be 0. Similarly, theta along theta direction will be negative ER. So then this term is 0. So ER differential of R is again 0. So all these differentials will be 0. Similarly, this term will be E theta. So this term will be 0. And this term will be 0 again along Z. So all the unit vector components along R and Z directions are 0. So let us rewrite the terms which are left now. So VR, then VR ddr of V theta E theta plus V theta over R partial VR over partial theta times ER plus V theta over R VR into E theta plus V theta over R into dV theta d theta times E theta. Okay, so that will be V theta squared over ER over R times ER. So VZ partial VZ of VR VZ into partial V theta over Z plus VZ and partial over partial Z of VZ times EZ. So then last component, which is V theta over R partial over partial theta of VZ times EZ. Now we need to combine terms along with ER coefficient, then E theta and EZ. So they will be along respective R, theta and Z direction. So let us write down first of all ER components. VR partial over partial R of VR, then V theta over R and partial over partial theta of VR minus V theta squared over R plus VZ times partial over partial R of VR. So this is the component along R direction. So now collect all E theta terms, so which are VR partial over partial theta of V theta plus VR into V theta by R plus V theta upon R into partial over partial theta of V theta plus VZ times V theta differentiated with respect to Z direction. So similarly, plus EZ component will be VR ddr of VR plus V theta over R and VZ dVZ over Z direction. So this is basically the terms which we have obtained for local derivative, convective derivative, sorry. So let us call these equations by numbers 9th and 10th. So this equation is definition of V bar dot del bar and operating on V bar.